What is up, Pyros? Today we're here with another demo video. Today we have some Pro line canister shells from Pyro Fortune, also known by Sunwing. We have the 5-inch gold titanium series, or gold titanium willow series, the gold crown series, and the 6-inch gold titanium willow series. The 5-inch willow series is PFS001. The 5-inch gold crown, or PFS002. The 6-inch titanium willow, or PFS003. As far as the 5-inch shells go, we have, for the gold titanium willows, we got with blue and report, we've got with crackle and report, we've got with green strobe and report, red strobe and report, just gold titanium willow and report, and gold titanium willow, white strobe, and report. So that is the 5 effects in the 6-pack for the 5-inch gold titanium willow series. On the gold crown series, 5-inch, we got blue and report, chrysanthemum and report, green and report, red and report, red, green, blue and report, and then white strobe and report. That is for the 5-inch gold crown series. And for the 6-inch shells, we have white strobe and report, red and report, red strobe and report, green and report, green strobe and report, and blue and report. Those are the 6 effects in the 6-pack of the 6-inch shells. They come in 16 packs of 6 in a case. I got a full case of the 6-inch shells. I split the 5 inches up into 8 packs each, so I did a half case of each. I'm going to shoot them all do a same demo day, and then I'll put them up each individually. Then I'll probably do a side-by-side comparison of all 3 of them, show the difference between the 5-inch and 6-inch, but definitely we'll do a side-by-side of the 5-inch gold willow and a 6-inch gold willow, see how much of a difference there is. So those are the Pro line canister shells from Pyro Fortune, the 5-inch gold titanium willows, 5-inch gold crowns, and the 6-inch gold titanium willows. So let's take them out, see how they look.